This application will be used to collect dataset for pest forecasting research project. The dataset will also consist of other metadata such as geolocation of user, temperature, humidity, CO2, etc. The key features of this application are through authentication for user, geolocation of the user is used for more information about crop, pest classification, leaf and trap extraction, in-app easy retrieval of dataset. For pest classification and extraction, I used RESTnet and UNet. If user want to add a new crop, by clicking on plus icon, user can add a new crop. Here I am adding crop F of type Rabi. By clicking on continue button, I will be navigated to location page. If user is not on the accurate location, you can navigate to that accurate location. New record. Click on add new record, then scan QR code. Also select crop type. Continue with the crop. Select leaf image and capture a leaf sample. Select a trap sample. If user want to download the whole dataset, he or she can download from by clicking on button download dataset. As you can see, the leaf is extracted along with trap, and the disease is predicted as a bacterial spot.
I was from a non-technical background in my HSC, so because of eYantra, I got an interest in these technologies. In the start of eYantra, I was knowing nothing, but while in the flow, I learned a lot things, like how to work with the hardware, how to implement the socket in the connection. We have a TF-Lite library pre-written, but it was not up to date. So my mistake was that I was completely relying on the TF-Lite library. We should learn to write our own modules, not just use the previous modules or the pre-written modules. An application, we have a feature where the user can see the live location of himself in the Android application. So firstly, I thought of using Google Maps, but Google Maps are not completely free. So I use the open source alternative of it, OpenStreetMaps, which is a plugin and we can implement in a Flutter. Non-technical activities helped me to think like an entrepreneur. Before the internship, I was only searching for jobs, like how can I get a good salary or good package. But now I would like to do a startup. This was a great opportunity to us to know the internal structure of submarine ship. Along with that, we got the opportunity to interact with the great officers over there. I was privileged to talk with them. I am also motivated to serve the nation in any way, not just the army, navy or anything like research. eYantra internship is not like other internships. Here we have a hands-on experience on what we are actually doing. Here we have a clear goal of what we are making, what the outcome should be. Here we have a mentor's guidance. The mentors guide us through our project. In start of internship, I thought that the project I was assigned is impossible because extracting leaf or traps out of it was impossible task for me using OpenCV. In this world, nothing is impossible. Okay, just we have to follow those three things: discipline, persistent, and confident enough to solve the problem. This internship journey increased my confidence in solving a problem when we are having no solution at all. eYantra's the non-technical activities what we were performed here gave me great soft skills like such as presentations. Now I don't have a stage fear. Now I can present anything very confidently. The mentorship given by Kavi sir is great. I can never forget this eYantra internship days.